can scroll up and down, open up your menu and settings, or your sport modes. Plus you can long press the lower left button to get straight to your music player, but more to that later on in the video. So size wise, it doesn't make a difference if you take the music or the non-music version. Both come in the size of 43mm with a 1.2-inch AMOLED touch display. Now the main difference are probably the colors that you get. The normal one is available in black and white, and you can get the music version in berry color, white, black and turquoise. Now besides that, everything on this watch is plastic and only the buckle is stainless steel and the band is silicone, which is why there's a rather small bezel, and on the backside there is a quick release feature for the straps so you can change bands quickly every time you feel like it, if you use the GPS continuously. And by the way, charging this watch isn't a problem at all. Just plug it up in the morning when you wake up, and by the time you go to work you should be good to go. We get an all-day heart rate monitor which detects abnormal high and low heart rates. It does work pretty well while you are swimming, and you get more than enough charts to see how your heart rate is doing after the last couple of hours or days. Then it also tracks your sleep. It gives you a sleep score, tells you how long you've been asleep, it tracks all 4 sleep cycles, plus many other little stats like your nightly SpO2 level, breathing rate, HRV, or the change of the Garmin body battery. So actually quite a lot. Not only does this one track your respiration rate and SpO2 level overnight, it also tracks it all day long at the cost of a little bit of your battery life. It tracks your naps, HRV status, and of course your stress level, and all of them come with a cute little chart and even more infos in the Garmin Connect app. It almost has pinpoint accuracy and is only like a meter or 2 off of track, if at all. Plus it doesn't skip any sections, it doesn't lose connectivity or has big deviations. And also, if you start your workout, you instantly have your GPS signal and don't have to wait a minute or even longer sometimes. Running modes, but you also get strength and cardio workouts, swimming and yoga, trail and ultra runs, cycling and pickleball. Always you also get some daily suggestions for your running workouts. There's an interval training, you can set targets and have alerts, and you can also adjust your data screens. So you can choose between 3 different layouts with 1, 2 or 3 metrics, and then you can go ahead and change the data like your heart rate, time, pace, cadence, time or whatever. Also your other workouts are customizable, like you can change the length of the pool in your swimming workout or make the watch count your reps in your strength workout. So there are really a lot of possibilities for you. When it comes to the smartphone, WhatsApp messages, Instagram, TikToks, emails and so on, and the only thing that you cannot do is to reply to messages. Then there is a pretty good weather app with a weather forecast for the next couple of days and hours, and it even tracks some stats like the air quality and humidity. Also, like I already said in the beginning, there's a music player which only controls the music that you have on your smartphone, like you can skip a track, go back a track, play and pause and adjust the volume. Watch faces and other little apps to help you during your workouts, and the watch face that you have on your smartwatch all are very stat heavy and focused on your sports. There are different designs like this almost 3D design, and overall there are 16 pre-installed watch faces on here and only 1 analog watch face. But like I said, you can just download some more over in the Garmin IQ Connect store.